This is the second video on accounting terms. Let's see the first term in this video. The first one is sundry creditors, group of creditors in case of purchases which are recurring in nature. Sundry creditors account is maintained. In any business transaction, there will be buying and selling of goods and services. Any person who is responsible for supplies of goods or services to the particular entity or to any another business firm on credit basis, or who provides this particular facility, will be considered as sundry creditor. In short, we can just call here from whom we buy goods or take the services on credit basis in business where the payment is done in the future are called sundry creditors in accounting language. Sundry creditors are considered as liabilities to a business as they are supposed to pay outstanding amount for a particular transaction. Sundry debtors. Group of debtors. Sundry debtors are the customers to whom goods are sold on credit. In case of sales which are recurring in nature, sundry debtors account is maintained. This tells that when we sell or when the firm sells the goods or render the service to the party or customers in the business, we call them as sundry debtors, who are current assets, and in the same way the company or the firm will be receiving an amount from them in future. The next comes out with a suspense account. Suspense account is a temporary account if both the sides of the trial balance, that is debit side and credit side, if it will not match or do not match, a suspense account will be opened to put the difference in. It is a temporary account which has to be written off at the earliest after the error is detected and rectified thereafter. This tells that once we detect the error, in that case we have to remove this particular account and later it has to be shifted to the correct account. An entry into a suspense account may be a debit or a credit. Suspense account is debited when credit side shows a positive balance and credited when negative balance. The purpose of suspense account entries are mainly used to hold uncategorized transactions. And here comes out with the next one, opening entries. Opening entries are the balance entries of different accounts in the previous year by bringing forward in the new accounting year or the next accounting year. This tells that the debit or credit balance of an account head or the ledger account, what we get at the end of the financial year period, we call this one as closing balance of that account head. This closing balance becomes the opening balance in the next accounting year or the new accounting year. Next comes out with a capital. It is an amount invested by the proprietor or proprietors or the owner in the business. This amount is increased by the amount of profits earned and the amount of additional capital introduced. This tells that capital is a sum of money which we use to start a particular business or a particular firm. Capital can be in the form of cash, machinery, receivable accounts, property or houses. Even we can call capital is the amount or an asset which is invested in the business or in the firm by the owner. Next comes out with drawings. It is the amount of cash or value of goods withdrawn from the business by the proprietor or the owner for his personal use. This tells that withdrawing cash or asset or goods or stock from the company or from the business or from the particular entity by the owner or by the proprietor for his personal use. That one we just call here the drawings. Next one is income. Income is the difference between revenue and expense. This tells that income is the revenue in which the business or a firm earns by selling its goods and rendering the services to the customers throughout the course of the business. Next comes out with a voucher. It is a written document in support of a transaction. It is a proof that a particular transaction has been taken place for the value stated in the voucher. It may be in the form of cash receipt, invoice, cash memo, bank pay-in slip, etc. Voucher is necessary to audit the accounts. Actually, in case of accounting software, when we have a transaction, after understanding the transaction, analyzing the transaction, we go for recording the transaction in the respective voucher. A voucher can be the accounting voucher, non-accounting voucher, or even it can be the inventory voucher based on the type of the transaction. Voucher is a document which shows goods purchased or services rendered, authorizing the payment and indicating in the ledger account or account heads in which these transactions have to be recorded. Next comes out with the invoice. Invoice is a business document which is prepared when one sale goes to another, when one sale goes to the customer. Actually, invoice consists of a detailed list of products or goods or items or services supplied to the customer, and it must include the total amount with any necessary taxes. The last one of this particular video is investments. Investment account is a capital account, as buying and selling policies, shares is not the core business. Investment account is an account which is opened for the purpose of investment. Investment account is used to buy and sell stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. Investment is nothing but investing the money outside the business in order to earn some income or revenue. Thank you.